Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with power and proximity. Make sure both devices have charge and the AirPods case is open near the Chromebook. On your Chromebook, open Settings, go straight to Bluetooth and turn it on. This readies the adapter. Once Bluetooth is active, press and hold the small button on the AirPods case until the LED flashes white. That enters pairing mode. Keep the case lid open and the AirPods close because Bluetooth discovery works best within a foot or two. Now switch to the Chromebook Bluetooth list. You'll see AirPods Pro appear as a discoverable device. You should click Connect, do that promptly because the AirPods remain discoverable for a short window. If a pairing confirmation appears, accept it. This binds the AirPods to your Chromebook. Once connected, open Quick Settings, check the audio output selection, and make sure AirPods Pro is chosen for sound and microphone. If you need stereo or microphone preferences, adjust them here for the best Finish by testing audio, play a short clip and speak to confirm the mic. If audio doesn't route to the AirPods, make sure they're selected in Quick Settings and that volume isn't muted. If problems persist, forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings, close the case, then re-enter pairing mode and reconnect. This clears common glitches. As a final tip, restart the Chromebook or perform an AirPods reset by holding the case button until amber then white. Once done, attempt pairing again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.